All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And I'm not just saying that, I say that in every video, but last night I was just thinking of how thankful I am for everyone in my life, my friends, my YouTube channel. You guys are like community and family, so I appreciate each one of you coming back and dropping comments and just participating in the live streams and stuff like that. So thank you so much. So jumping right in, yesterday, this is what I worked on. I didn't get a chance to video yesterday, the second half of what I did. So I worked on this cabinet up here, working on the wires in the middle, and I think the wires on the right side as well, on this first cabinet. And the second cabinet, I also worked on the left side wires over here for the motor, the 1M, I think that says 1M2, and the 1M1, those were for a motor, and then also the wires in the middle again, and then I think the right side I did not do. So this was one of the cabinets that I was pulling the wires into before, if you remember that, one of the big cabinets. And then I also did the other 3 cabinets yesterday, which I showed you. And then today what I started on was these, I'm not sure exactly what these are called, but the brand is Honeywell. So I worked on these 3 Honeywell cabinets right here. I think these are for another type of motor or something. Some kind of control box. So the wires on the left right here with the 3 black zip ties coming into the left side, the color wires, not the black wires. I did all those. So I did 3 of those, landed these, landed this 1 wire with the, I think there's like 20 or something wires in there. And then the 1 wire on the right for the mod motor, went ahead and landed that as well in these 3 cabinets. And those landed at the very bottom in 2241 and 2251. So I did that 3 times. I was going to do the 4th one, but there was a guy working in front of it, so went ahead and switched over to the Big Mamas, the Big Berthas. So worked on this cabinet for the rest of the day. Got about halfway done, which was pretty good. No one was telling me I was going too slow, so that made things great. I was just chugging along. It wasn't as intimidating as I thought. As long as I knew what the wire number was, I could find it in the prints. And then it tells me exactly where the wires land on each terminal block. So I'll try to maybe make a video tomorrow or whatnot after work. But it was a lot easier than I thought, and I was stressing out over nothing. So it was actually pretty fun, even though I was on my knees most of the day. And it's really cold in here on top of this metal. But other than that, it was a super good day. Went by really fast. I think we worked a little bit over as well, the 10 hours or whatever. So anyways, that's pretty much what I did today, and I'll be finishing this tomorrow and probably starting the cabinet behind it as well, the same exact one, pretty much identical. So that's what I'll be doing tomorrow for the rest of the day, and if I finish that, then maybe something else. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Like I said, once again, there's a really cool picture on the wall. I kind of want that. But anyways, that's going to do it for today's video. If you liked, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back here in the next video tomorrow. I'm going to be back in town on Thursday. I'm going to be back at the wood pallet place, doing some of the underground, I think, pulling wire or something, setting up panels or something like that. So stay tuned for that. I'll be back here tomorrow, like I said, to do some more of the cabinets. And then that should do it for the week. So stay tuned, about 7 subscribers away from 5,000. So if you guys want to be the last 7, get me up to 5,000. Start that giveaway as soon as I hit that. Do another giveaway of some sort on the Cash app, probably like 50, 60 bucks, something like that. And then, yeah, check the description for anything else. If you want to see any of the playlists that I got, if you are new and an apprentice, you want to check out some things, some things you want to learn. I have an apprentice playlist if you guys want to check that out and learn some things. And then hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. Can't wait to hit 5,000. Peace out.